What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. So we got a little upgrade for my wife's antenna. So if you go through drive-through car washes and you have one of these old school antennas, either you have to take them off or they will eventually bend on impact. So we got a Ronin factory 50 cal antenna that we're going to install, and I'll link this in the description below. So let's get into the installation. So as you guys can see, this thing is bent, and the more we go up, the more it goes further away from the vehicle. As you guys can see, it's bent right here. So let's take this off. Let's open up the package and see what we have in this kit right here. Move that there. So we have the tools necessary to put it on. And then we have the antenna. Let's see what it looks like. Looks pretty good on Amazon. So this is an Amazon purchase. Hopefully it works well and the signal is going to be great. Let's see. Looks like some high quality matte black finish. Alright, so the version that we got, the 50 cal, is a shorty. They prefer that if you want good radio reception and good service, to get a 20-inch or longer antenna. Now she doesn't listen to much radio, so we're gonna go with this. So as you guys can see over here, there's an adapter, and then your tools that came with the kit is an Allen key. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first by hand try to see how this goes. We're gonna turn it in, and we're gonna basically all the way down as much as it goes. If you do need to use the Allen key, there is a space where you could stick it to turn it as tight as you can. So then we put this into its position where necessary, and you turn like this. Go back a little bit, and then you're gonna hear it click the way you want. So we're gonna face the white logo out. As you guys can see, the original antenna was bent, and I think this is definitely a better look. The white logo is facing out with the exterior paint on the white Jeep. Looks really, really nice. We're gonna use a little bit of Meguiar's Scratch X 2.0 to remove this because of the constant banging. So in the packaging, when you buy this, if my instructions were not clear enough, you'll have a QR code that you can scan for step-by-step instructions. I will link this product in the description below, and like I said, if you want, because you listen to radio, get the longer version of what they offer, 20 inches or higher, for better radio reception. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.